Holy fuck, I'm shaking like a motherfucker right now because I just had a Hilti battery blow up while I was cleaning my car out. There it goes again. Holy shit. What the fuck? I don't know what the fuck's going on with this fucking Hilti battery, but I'm glad that didn't just happen in my truck. So, I don't know what the fuck to do right now, but I ain't touching it. I just wasted that whole thing of extinguisher's already been wasted on it. I'm afraid to start my truck. Fuck. I'm gonna back up in case anything else happens. Motherfucker. I don't know what to do with this motherfucker right now, though.